Most kitchens seem complete until you realize what they're missing. These are the kinds of kitchen gadgets you don't grow up with, that you don't see every day, and that you somehow never realize you need until they solve a problem you constantly deal with. Today, I'll show you kitchen gadgets you probably didn't know existed, but once you see them in action, not having them will seem outdated. Stick around, because some of them are much more ingenious than they look. All the links are in the description. Like and subscribe for more. This food warming mat is designed to keep multiple dishes warm at the same time without stressing your table or your routine. The heat-resistant base spreads warmth evenly, protecting wood, glass, and marble surfaces while making cleanup simple after meals. With 6 temperature levels, you can gently warm soups or maintain higher heat for serving hot dishes straight from the kitchen. Built-in timer options let you choose how long food stays warm, making it ideal for long dinners, buffets, or family gatherings without worrying about overheating. It works safely with ceramic plates, glass containers, and stainless steel cookware, and it is also useful for warming coffee or milk. A child safety lock adds peace of mind, preventing accidental activation. This mat is practical for daily use and perfect when hosting. You can get it for $39.59. This large chicken shredder is built to make meal prep faster and cleaner without using knives or forks. Its wide 10-inch bowl and sharp internal shredding teeth break down cooked chicken in seconds using a simple twisting motion. The transparent lid lets you see the shredding process so you can control texture. From coarse chunks to fine pulled meat, an ergonomic handle offers a secure grip, while the strong non-slip base keeps the tool stable on the counter during use. Made from food-grade BPA-free plastic, it is safe for everyday cooking and easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. A cleaning brush is included to reach every corner quickly. This tool works not only for chicken, but also for pork, beef, turkey, and even vegetables for salads or wraps. It is practical for busy kitchens and fitness-focused meal prep. You can get it for $20.99. This transparent cutlery organizer is designed to keep small drawers neat, visible, and easy to use. Its compact size fits narrow kitchen drawers while still offering 5 well-defined compartments that separate forks, spoons, knives, and larger utensils without crowding. The clear acrylic construction lets you see everything at a glance, helping you grab what you need faster while avoiding clutter. A protective lid keeps utensils clean from dust and splashes, making it a practical option for everyday kitchens. Smooth edges and a slim profile allow the organizer to slide easily in and out of drawers without snagging. The BPA-free material is durable, rust-free, and easy to clean with a quick rinse underwater. Beyond the kitchen, it also works well for organizing cosmetics, office supplies, or craft tools. This organizer is a simple upgrade that improves order and efficiency in tight spaces. You can get it for $17.99. This manual rotary cheese grater is built to make food prep faster, safer, and more efficient in everyday cooking. The hand crank design lets you grate up to 18 times faster than traditional methods while keeping your hands away from the blades, thanks to the included food pusher. 5 interchangeable stainless steel drums allow you to shred, slice, julienne, or grate, both fine and coarse textures, making it useful for cheese, vegetables, nuts, potatoes, cucumbers, and even soft blocks of cheese. The reinforced suction base locks firmly onto smooth surfaces, providing stability while you crank. Made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, it is safe for daily use. Cleanup is simple since the drums and hopper are dishwasher safe, and everything stores neatly in a compact container. It works equally well for right-handed and left-handed users, making it a versatile kitchen essential. You can get it for $29.99. This vegetable chopper is designed to speed up everyday meal prep while keeping everything clean and controlled. The 4 interchangeable stainless steel blades let you chop, dice, slice, or julienne a wide variety of vegetables with consistent results every time. The integrated lid allows food to be cut directly into the built-in container, reducing mess and eliminating the need for a cutting board. A non-slip base keeps the unit stable during use, while the soft grip handle improves leverage and comfort. Made from BPA-free materials with corrosion-resistant steel blades, it is safe and durable for daily cooking. The compact design saves counter space and stores easily, while all parts can be fully disassembled for simple cleaning in the top rack of the dishwasher. It works well for onions, potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more, making it a practical kitchen essential. You can get it for $29.99. This electric citrus juicer is built to deliver fresh juice quickly, quietly, and with consistent power. Its efficient motor provides strong extraction comparable to higher watt models while using energy more intelligently for longer lifespan. The soft grip lever activates the juicer with gentle pressure, making it easy to use without strain and stopping automatically when released. A built-in filter separates seeds and pulp, delivering smooth juice every time without extra steps. The universal cone design adjusts naturally to oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits without changing attachments, keeping fruit stable and reducing splatter. A durable stainless steel body adds strength, hygiene, and a clean modern look that fits any kitchen counter. Designed for daily use, it combines performance, simplicity, and reliability in one compact appliance. You can get it for $69.99. This toaster is designed for everyday kitchens that need flexibility, simplicity, and reliable results. Extra wide slots easily handle thick slices like Texas toast, bagels, and specialty breads without forcing or uneven browning. 6 adjustable browning levels let you choose anything from lightly warmed bread to a dark, crisp finish, giving full control over texture and color. The reheat function warms previously toasted bread gently at a lower temperature, preventing burning while restoring freshness. A dedicated cancel button allows you to stop the toasting cycle instantly whenever needed. The retractable warming rack is ideal for pastries, croissants, rolls, pitas, and buns, expanding its use beyond standard toast. Cleanup is easy thanks to a removable crumb tray and built-in cord storage that keeps countertops tidy. Backed by decades of experience, this toaster delivers consistent performance in a compact, easy-to-use design. You can get it for $34.99. This sink organizer is built to keep your kitchen counter clean, dry, and efficiently arranged. The rotating spout directs water straight into the sink, preventing puddles and eliminating the need to constantly remove or clean a drip tray. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for small kitchens while still holding a soap bottle, sponge, sink stopper, and multiple brushes in one organized place. A tall brush holder keeps up to 4 brushes upright, improving airflow and faster drying. Made from premium stainless steel, the structure resists rust, warping, and daily moisture exposure while remaining easy to rinse clean under running water. The smart divider layout separates items into dedicated zones, so everything stays visible and easy to reach. It arrives fully assembled and ready to use, making it a practical upgrade for kitchens or bathrooms that need better organization without clutter. You can get it for $13.29. This coffee bar mat keeps your countertop clean, dry, and protected during daily coffee routines. Its super absorbent material quickly soaks up spills from coffee, milk, or water, preventing dark stains and sticky messes around your machine. Designed to sit perfectly under coffee makers, espresso machines, or dish racks, it helps maintain a neat and organized prep area. The surface dries fast and leaves counters free from moisture buildup. Its flexible design allows it to be cut or repurposed as a dish drying mat, pet feeding mat, or cup rest, adding versatility to your kitchen. When not in use, it rolls up easily for compact storage without taking up drawer space. Cleaning is simple. Just rinse with water and let it air dry. Made from durable, tear-resistant materials, this mat is built to handle everyday use while keeping its shape and performance over time. You can get it for $6.99. This compact electric chopper is built for quick everyday prep without taking up space. Its 1.5 cup capacity is perfect for small jobs like chopping herbs, vegetables, fruit, nuts, chocolate, or fresh breadcrumbs. The sharp dual-level stainless steel blades deliver consistent results and stay sharp over time. A one-touch pulse control makes operations simple and precise, giving you control over texture without over-processing. The powerful 150-watt motor handles tough ingredients with ease while staying efficient. An integrated oil drizzle opening lets you add oil while blending, making it easy to prepare hummus, dressings, or sauces without mess. Cleanup is fast since the removable bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe. With an improved cutting assembly and compact footprint, this chopper is ideal for daily cooking tasks. You can get it for $16.99. This food dehydrator is designed for simple, everyday food preservation without complicated controls. Adjustable temperature settings let you dry fruits, vegetables, herbs, and meats evenly while keeping flavor and texture intact. The 5 spacious trays provide enough room to prepare multiple snacks at once, making it easy to batch dry fruit slices, veggie chips, or homemade jerky. Its compact design fits neatly on the counter and operates efficiently without heating up your kitchen. BPA-free materials make it safe for daily use, while the straightforward controls keep operation intuitive for beginners. Whether you are prepping healthy snacks or extending the life of fresh produce, this dehydrator offers a practical solution for home kitchens. You can get it for $39.99. This electric can opener is built for comfort, safety, and true hands-free use. With a single touch, it starts cutting smoothly along the side of the lid and stops automatically when finished, leaving a clean, safe edge with no sharp metal. The powerful rechargeable motor reduces strain on hands and wrists, making it especially helpful for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone who struggles with grip strength. Its side-cut design keeps the lid from touching food, while the magnetic lifter holds the lid securely for easy removal. Quiet operation and faster cutting make everyday meal prep easier and more pleasant. The slim design stores neatly with the included magnetic holder, keeping it accessible without cluttering your counter. You can get it for $39.49. This bamboo knife organizer is designed for kitchens that want clean drawers, safer storage, and easy access. It fits neatly inside deep drawers and holds up to 16 knives plus 1 sharpening steel. keeping blades protected and out of sight. The angled slots make each knife easy to grab while preventing tips from hitting the drawer, helping preserve sharpness over time. Made from durable moso bamboo, it resists cracking, warping, and discoloration with daily use. The low-profile design maximizes drawer space while keeping everything neatly aligned and organized. It is a practical upgrade for modern kitchens that prefer a clutter-free countertop without sacrificing functionality. You can get it for $35.14. This compact hanging trash bin is designed to keep kitchens clean, fresh, and organized without taking up valuable floor space. Its sealed, odor-resistant design helps prevent fruit flies and unpleasant smells without the need for charcoal filters. With a 3.2-gallon capacity, it is ideal for daily food scraps, compost, diapers, or general waste. The bin offers flexible installation, hanging easily on a cabinet door or mounting on the wall with adhesive tape, making it perfect for undersink use, countertops, bathrooms, RVs, or laundry rooms. Made from durable, non-toxic plastic, it is sturdy enough for everyday use and simple to clean with soap and water. The lid opens smoothly for quick disposal while keeping contents hidden. This space-saving solution works well with reusable grocery bags and helps maintain a cleaner, more efficient home environment. You can get it for $27.99. This complete 75-piece cookware set is designed to handle everyday cooking without cluttering your kitchen with mismatched tools. It includes pots, pans, bakeware, utensils, knives, and accessories, giving you everything needed for frying, baking, simmering, and serving in one coordinated set. The ceramic non-stick coating is stain-resistant and allows food to release easily, making both cooking and cleanup simple. Even heat distribution helps deliver consistent results across meals, from quick breakfasts to full family dinners. The cookware is free from PFOA and PFOS and works on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, except for specialty pieces. Tempered glass lids and heat-resistant handles add safety and control, while the neutral cream and brown finish looks clean and modern on any countertop. This all-in-one set is a practical upgrade for everyday home cooking. You can get it for $289.99. This 70-piece food storage set includes 35 containers and matching airtight lids in multiple shapes and sizes, covering everything from small snacks to large family meals. The clear plastic design stacks neatly to save space in cabinets, refrigerators, and freezers, while keeping contents easy to identify. 4 side snap locks create a leak-proof seal that makes these containers reliable for transport, meal prep, and leftovers. They are microwave-safe without lids, dishwasher-safe, and freezer-friendly for daily use. Durable plastic resists cracking, allowing repeated reuse without wear. You can get it for $45.99. Drop in whole fruits and big veggie pieces without constant prep. A smart safety lock stops the motor the moment the lid is opened, which adds peace of mind in family kitchens. It presses at about 55 revolutions per minute to limit heat and oxidation, helping the juice stay bright, fresh, and less foamy. Dual strainers filter twice to reduce clogging and leave a smoother pour with less pulp. Setup stays simple. 3 main parts twist on and off quickly, and the one-button control keeps it intuitive. Venting on both sides helps prevent overheating during longer sessions. The included push rod and cleaning brush make rinse out faster after carrot, apple, or greens batches. Because the chute is oversized, it is great for meal prep Sundays and quick morning routines. Use it for orange, lemon, or grapefruit, then switch to cucumber and leafy greens without fighting stuck pulp. The sturdy housing wipes clean, so it looks good left on the counter. It stores compactly when done. You can get it for $119.99. Creamy mashed potatoes without the workout. This heavy-duty potato reeser is made from 100% stainless steel and designed to create light, fluffy mash with minimal effort. The large, deep basket holds up to 15 ounces, so you can process more potatoes at once while still getting a smooth, lump-free texture. Long padded handles with non-slip silicone grips provide strong leverage, making pressing easy even with dense vegetables. It is not limited to potatoes either. Use it for soft carrots, yams, turnips, or even homemade baby food. The sturdy construction resists rust, stains, and bending over time, so it stays reliable in daily cooking. Cleanup is simple thanks to its non-stick finish. Rinse it under water, or place it on the top rack of the dishwasher, and it is ready for the next meal. This tool is ideal for anyone who wants consistent results without complicated gadgets. You can get it for $24.99. Small but surprisingly versatile, this mini waffle maker is built for quick meals without taking over your kitchen. It goes far beyond waffles, letting you prepare paninis, hash browns, pizza bites, and other single-serve snacks using any wet batter. The compact 4-inch cooking surface is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or quick treats, especially for kids or busy mornings. Its lightweight design makes it easy to store in small kitchens, dorm rooms, apartments, or even take along in an RV or camper. Operation is simple and fast. Just plug it in and it heats up within minutes. Dual non-stick surfaces cook evenly and release food easily for consistent results every time. The stylish design and trendy color options make it a great gift for weddings, housewarmings, or first apartments. It delivers convenience, fun, and reliable performance in a very small footprint. You can get it for $9.99. Designed for year-round comfort, this bladeless tower combines powerful cooling and fast room heating in one sleek unit. With 10 cooling speeds and 3 intelligent heat modes, it adapts easily from summer airflow to winter warmth with a simple switch. Precision heating includes Thermo IQ automatic temperature control, a focused high heat mode for faster warmth, and a low comfort mode for gentle ambient heating. Bladeless cooling pulls in surrounding air and delivers smooth, consistent airflow that feels natural and quiet. The unit can switch between vertical tower airflow and horizontal air blanket mode, while adjustable vents help direct air exactly where you need it. A smart remote lets you control temperature, fan speed, oscillation, and modes from across the room, and magnetically docks to the unit so it never gets lost. Cleaning is simple thanks to the bladeless design and built-in dust filter at the base, ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. You can get it for $249.99. This commercial-grade infrared food heat lamp is built for fast, reliable warming in busy kitchens and serving stations. Powered by an 850-watt stainless steel heating tube, it reaches serving temperature quickly and maintains steady heat so food stays warm, fresh, and ready to serve. The 42-inch design is ideal for pass-through stations, buffets, cafeterias, and restaurant counters where consistent heat matters. Adjustable hanging chains allow you to set the perfect height based on food type and workspace, giving you flexibility for different service setups. One-touch rocker switch operation keeps things simple during peak hours, letting you focus on service instead of equipment. The stainless steel body is durable, easy to clean, and designed with side ventilation to prevent overheating and extend lifespan. This heat lamp supports smooth workflow by allowing food to be prepared in advance without sacrificing quality. You can get it for $109.99. This probiotic yogurt maker is designed for people who want full control over their wellness routine at home. It lets you adjust both time and temperature, running up to 48 hours to create the ideal environment for cultivating live cultures. With 2 large 1-quart glass containers, you can make bigger batches packed with active probiotics. The temperature range allows you to grow billions of live cultures that support gut health, digestion, energy, and overall balance. It is made with BPA-free materials and includes glass jars with safe lids for everyday use. Once your first batch is ready, it can be reused as a starter for future batches, helping you avoid buying probiotics again. Reliable performance, simple operation, and a lifetime manufacturer warranty make this a practical long-term investment in daily health. You can get it for $54.71.